Danny Green is an American professional basketball player for the Los Angeles Lakers of the National Basketball Association. He was born on June 22, 1987 in North Babylon, New York, United States. Green's brother Rashad played for Manhattan College in 2007-8 and the University of San Francisco from 2009 to 2012. His younger brother Devonte plays for Indiana University. The Lakers signed Green to a 2-year $30 million contract on July 6, 2019. His 28 points are the most points in a debut in franchise history, breaking Kareem Abdul-Jabbar's record of 27 points. The Cleveland Cavaliers selected Green as the 46th overall pick of the 2009 NBA draft. After he played in 20 games in his rookie year with the Cavaliers, the team waived Green at the beginning of the next season. As a high school freshman, Green attended North Babylon High School in North Babylon, New York on Long Island, and in addition to basketball, he played quarterback on the football team. Green came off the bench as the sixth man during his freshman year at UNC. He averaged 5.2 points and 2.8 rebounds in his sophomore season. Green was subsequently picked up by the San Antonio Spurs on November 17, 2010. The Spurs waived him 6 days later after he appeared in 2 games. In January 2011, Green was acquired by the Reno Bighorns of the NBA D-League. He averaged 20 points, a team high, and 7.5 rebounds in 16 games with the Bighorns. In August 2011, Green signed a 1-year contract with KK Union Olympia, which included an NBA out clause option when the 2011 NBA lockout ended. Green finished 9th in the league in voting for the NBA Most Improved Player award. On July 11, 2012, Green re-signed with the Spurs for $12 million over 3 years. On November 1, 2012, he scored 13 points in a win over the Thunder. On February 6, 2013, Green recorded career highs of 28 points and 8 three-pointers made in a win over the Minnesota Timberwolves. On April 11, 2014, Green scored a career-high 33 points in a 112-104 win over the Phoenix Suns. On June 15, 2014, Green won his first NBA championship after the Spurs defeated the Miami Heat 4-1 in the 2014 NBA Finals. On December 19, 2014, Green scored a season-high 27 points in the 119-129 triple overtime loss to the Portland Trail Blazers. On July 14, 2015, Green re-signed with the Spurs to a reported 4 years, $45 million contract. On December 28, 2017, against the New York Knicks, Green became the 127th player in league history to reach 900 career three-pointers. On July 18, 2018, Green and teammate Kawhi Leonard were traded to the Toronto Raptors in exchange for DeMar DeRozan, Jakob Poeltl, and a protected 2019 first-round draft pick. On November 10, 2018, in a 128-112 win over the New York Knicks, Green reached 1,000 three-pointers for his career. On April 1, 2019, he scored a season-high 29 points in a 121-109 win over the Orlando Magic. Green helped the Raptors reach the 2019 NBA Finals, where they defeated the Golden State Warriors in 6 games, with Green earning his second NBA championship.